What's going on, guys? It's been a minute since I have done a stream, but I've got a few friends here today. Hopefully the stream doesn't completely destroy itself today. Let me actually do this. There we go. So yeah, we're just going to do some game development today. We're participating in the Juice Jam, which is an indie game development jam or competition that's basically just based around making a adrenaline-filled game. So, without further ado, let's bring in some friends. Alrighty, there we go. Alright, so I have with me a couple of friends.
Oh, here, let me pull this,
If you guys want to introduce yourselves, go for it.
Yo, I'm Jeremy. I am one of the designers for this project.
My name is Matt. I am the programmer.
Beep boop.
I was about to say
I have the charisma of a dying dog.
I mean, that part's accurate.
I am Tyler, and I am a designer and a sick one at that.
Quite literally.
Sick!
Sick, dude!
Radical,
Alright.
Fucking badass shit. Yee.
Fucking killing it over there.
Alright, I'm gonna build something for motherfucker. Why? Why?
Oh, where do you want the visceral, the bullet impact sound at? You want that in gun sounds?
Yeah, post it in gun sounds and give it the title unedited, please.
I'm gonna double check my stream to see my quality. Make sure it's not. Make sure I'm not getting a ton of lag. It doesn't appear so, but let me actually play the game. Woohoo! I'm actually able to stream and it's not wanting to kill itself. Awesome.
Oh, what the fuck is... What did you do?
What?
How are these under two different parent objects?
Oh, did I fuck it up?
I genuinely don't know how this could have been done. I have two parent objects that are parents of the same stuff.
What? Wait, what? How?
Jeremy. Why you gotta be so harsh on me?
I don't have that on mine. That must have been something that happened with you.
Sure.
There's just... I see.
Two objects on top of each other?
Yes, there's a bunch of objects on top of each other.
Well, why you guys gotta be breaking stuff? That's my question.
That's my specialty.
Tyler's our designated tester because he's good at breaking things. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I need replay button. Is it game
Which
on?
building is that one on?
Building
I don't know.
4.
Building 4.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I don't have that on mine.
Yeah, that's really strange. I wonder if like something...
I
Got
do
copied.
see that I forgot to put the like catwalk and stuff into parent objects, so they're just kind of floating there.
That's fine. I don't really need to do.
No, these don't. I don't. What am I doing? Smooth brain move right there, Ryan. Smooth
You also
brain.
set your directional light to be the fucking... as bright as the surface of the sun.
Yeah, because I couldn't see when I was making this.
You just set the intensity like 1,000.
Yeah, because it was like super dark when I was making it.
Did you generate lighting and all that?
No.
You probably
You
should
don't
have
even,
done that.
you don't even need to generate lighting. Just turn the work light on.
Okay, I gotta turn Jerry down. He's a bit loud.
Yeah, you just do this.
There we go. turned you down a little
Yeah,
bit.
that's what I did, but even it was still really dark on my screen for some reason.
Really, this doesn't like do shadows at all. That sounds like something wrong with your monitor.
Probably.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Perfect.
Ooh. Ah.
You
No.
add can I see the the like weird office building looking one? I think it's building 1.
This one.
Yeah, that one.
There we go.
I was
Okay.
gonna put those like light up signs on it, but it's cool if you don't want to put them on that.
I have Jeremy's stream up and also my Streamlabs up, so I can see both my chat and Jeremy's.
Hell yeah.
And then when Matt starts streaming, I will kill myself because I don't have a third monitor. Matt, I don't know if I'll be able to pop your stream up. Did he die on me? Matt, no.
It finally happened.
Oh, I think he's doing his intro or something.
He
Whatever.
worked himself to death finally.
He's deafened. Okay, so public void replay.
I figured it was only a matter of time.
I need.
Do we have any levels that are actually like working right now?
believe
Yeah,
so,
some are
yeah.
working.
Where is that at? Which city is that?
Well, I guess what is your definition of working?
Like
Let
one
me-
that I can play test right now.
Oh, that I don't know.
That's
That
a.
is Matt
I was about to
question.
say, yeah, that's a Matt question. Oh, hi,
Take a
phone.
wild guess and say programming playground or something.
That's what I would assume. Yes.
I mean, that's the one that's in the build, so probably that level.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, watch your language.
Oh, this
Jeremy doesn't like it when people swear on his Twitch.
Yeah, no
Oh.
swearing on my Christian Twitch stream, please.
is my bad.
Yeah, you fucking idiot.
What just happened? There a thermonuclear bomb went off the second I opened it.
Oh, what the?
Do we still not have a character, like a main character?
Also a Matt question. He was importing some models.
Okay, enough
See that we have-
procrastinating.
Oh, this isn't even the thing I got. It's just some weird stickmen.
Yeah, that's something that Matt had that I really liked, and he has an effect on them
Yeah.
for when they die, like basically all of their components become disconnected, and they crumble, and it looks really cool.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
Interesting.
that is cool. That is dope.
alright. What was the scene called? Is it literally just programming playground, no space? Oh, there's a space, okay. Programming playground. Okay. Replay function works. Quit game function. Do you want that to quit the game or quit to menu?
Quit to menu.
Okay. That's what I assumed. I just wanted to verify.
Oh,
Matt, you're back.
Welcome back.
yeah, I had to fix some stuff.
All good, all good.
Thought you were doing your Twitch intro.
Hey Matt.
Oh, fuck. You disappeared again.
What's up? Sorry.
I was just gonna ask, do we have any levels I can play test other than programming playground?
I'm working on some key stuff right now, so not really. Don't have any playtesting stuff ready to go.
Oh, were you able to resolve the conflicts?
I haven't seen them yet.
Okay, no worries. Just curious.
Oh yeah, you got the thing that you just could ignore the merge conflict that I had, right? Because I went through and just basically said fuck it and redid it myself.
I didn't see. I I, for some reason, didn't get a notification on yours, so I don't even know
It's-
how long ago that commit was.
It was like
I thought
three or
it was taken care of.
Yeah,
so.
it was 3 or 4 days ago. I was just like, you know what? I'll just make a new branch off of main once I pull it, and I can just switch between the branches and just copy and paste essentially what I have from that old branch into a new branch. So okay, so this needs to be scene manager .load scene main menu.
Random stat here. More stats.
Oh yeah, that's the old menu. It's changing.
It's also broken.
Yeah, it doesn't work. I'm working on fixing it to where it works now. Like it'll actually, the buttons will work. At least they should. Okay, replay button needs the round over logic, replay. Quit button needs the quit function. And in theory, it should. Oh. Do you want there to be a confirmation thing, like when you hit quit, to go be like yes or no?
To go to the menu or to leave the game?
To go to the menu.
To go to the menu, no. To leave the game, yes.
Okay, I'll have to do a slight change to the main menu then. That shouldn't take, like, that'll take, like, not much time.
Oh, I like this song it's playing.
Oh yeah,
this
I
makes
know.
slaps pretty hard.
These are royalty free, right? I can have these on my stream?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll turn those way down. Is this the album that you're gonna, like, grab some of the songs from?
Yes. Oh, don't fuck me like this, Unity.
Oh, I guess I could turn. That looks super quiet on the
Oh
stream. I'll turn
no,
it
not
up a bit.
again!
What'd you do?
That's alright, I'd saved, so it's not... If it actually
Okay.
crashes, it's not a big deal.
I need to go into another script as well to make a slight change.
Do we have like a plasma gun or something?
We do not.
I was gonna say, because I just found a sound effect that's kind of cool for
Fucker.
one. I don't know why it's in minigun, but this one is just an EDM base. I don't know why that's in minigun.
Jeremy, I'm gonna get this resolved for you.
Thank you.
Look at Matt being a good sport and resolving our conflicts.
Yeah, those
It's
two
what I'm here
miniguns
for.
are like the best I could find.
That's all Matt does on the project. Alright, enable the main.
I'll just pull off that then.
So Jeremy, I'm taking the snaps and converting them into prefabs.
Okay.
Oh, you renamed
So-
the script,
If
still-
you want to take them, so like the way I have it set up right now is I kind of already pulled them, but you made some changes, so we're gonna have to like update the prefabs there.
Okay.
But pretty much all you need to we just need to put them in a excuse me. We need to put them in a with a parent object with a room on them for the room script. It's a script I added earlier.
Mhm.
And then just make sure that that's in the dead center of all of your objects. And then there's a section that says room area, and you just need to set it up so that it knows how big the room is. There's a
Okay.
little visualizer, so as you adjust it, you'll be able to see like a little box to show how big it is, just in case
And
you need to.
the
figure it
room
out.
script, the room script needs to be the parent object.
It needs to be on the parent object. Yes.
Okay, I can do that.
I see you made some slight adjustments to my adrenaline UI script there, Matt.
Yes. Yeah. Because I needed to run adrenaline. Adrenaline essentially is treated as health.
Yeah, yeah.
So I needed to tie, like, adrenaline needed to be handled separately.
Yeah, you probably looked at
so-
my code and you were probably just like, nope, not touching that.
I mean, I kind of did. I just modified like how it handled information. It just instead of calculating itself, it just took in information.
To any programmer that watches my stream, yes, I know my code sucks. Don't judge me. I'm a designer. I'm not a programmer.
Jeremy,
I
if
just
you
know
have
how to code.
my stream pulled up, but
Oh, you're streaming? I'll play your stream up.
yeah.
I'm followed.
What's your stream? Is it on your Discord profile?
It should be.
It is not.
Hey, thanks for the follow, man.
Yeah, I'm on screen.
You are on screen.
You're
but,
popular. What's your? Is it Sir Hungsalot? Is that your stream?
Yes, sir.
All right, I got you pulled up.
Yeah. So when I say it's a chaotic mess,
What other
with like it's
sound effects?
when I tell you that it is like having some like spawning issues.
Oh, this is
That's weird.
strange.
Yeah, it's just stacking. The rotations aren't correct, so I need to fix it because it's not.
It's connecting
Okay.
them at that point, but it's not like figuring out which way it needs to connect. It's just like,
Yeah.
oh, here's a connection point. I'm gonna slap one on the air.
Yes.
Pull up
Okay. The connection points are working themselves, and I thought I had a good solution for the rotation, and then I just found some edge cases.
I gotcha.
So we're gonna figure it out.
E.
Are you re-importing there, Jeremy?
What?
So are you re-importing?
I'm launching Unity again because it completely shat itself.
Gotta love it, don't you? Okay, so
Always.
scene manager dot load scene. Round. What did I call it? Like, I need to add it to the builds settings as well. Round underscore over. Alrighty. Oh, hey, thanks, Tyler.
I just followed everybody.
Yeah, still haven't gotten a follow from Jeremy or Matt. Sag.
I already followed you.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm already a follower of yours. Before you knew the KIGP was my Twitch.
Oh, yeah, there you are. Jeez,
Yeah.
you followed a while ago.
Yeah, I did. I followed when you were playing like RimWorld.
Yeah, because you followed me 4 months ago. Hey, I got a Sir Hungsalot.
Oh yeah,
Hey,
that was
dear
old
friend.
too. I did that a long time ago.
What, the name or?
Yeah, both.
I do
Here.
kind of like the shotgun like kickback effect.
I'm a big fan of that as
Streamception.
well, yes.
You got streamception going on here.
I feel like it's it's like almost not enough.
Well, we can. It's a tweakable number. I just kept it low initially because life.
There we go. Okay.
How did you do the shotgun spread? Because it's like not the same every time.
It is completely random. With a little bit of normalization stuff that will let it. Some normalization options that let it not be like always like completely random, so it just kind of like normalizes toward the middle a little bit, but yeah, it essentially picks a random rotation offset, and kind of runs that through and takes the average of it for how much I want it normalized.
That's pretty neat.
Woohoo!
Is my noise suppression getting rid of my coughs, or is it?
Yay! Good news.
Yeah,
Replay
it is.
function works. Let's go.
Oh, I've been muting every time I have to cough.
Oh, well
but
then I don't know.
I just coughed. I didn't see my little ring, so I don't know if it's.
Could be. It's entirely possible.
All right. Okay, so the
Yeah,
replay's
hit or
working.
miss.
That's good. Replay's working. Let's test the quit function. Make sure that works.
Cool. So I am now all caught up. Wait a sec.
Hell yeah.
Do we need any other sound effects?
Matt, what are we missing right now? If you look at the sound effects, because I kind of lost track.
Ah, that's why.
Yeah, I do love that we just have a folder called drug use for sounds, by the way.
Yeah, I was laughing at that earlier.
I've got a random physics material in here. Let's go ahead and move that.
Nah, that's fine.
Yeah, we need to do a bunch of asset sorting because this is getting to be.
It's starting to get into a mess, I think. Yeah.
I also have some scripts that I generated that I need to put in places.
Where's the drug use folder? I don't see it. Or is it
Under
in sound?
sounds.
Oh, it's under sounds. Sounds. Oh. Brilliant. Lovely.
Pollution without flanger. What is flanger? Oh, that's why.
I was like, if you listen to it, you'll know what flanger is.
Do we want to know what that is?
It's just an effect that I put on it.
But
I
do
made
we-
one with the flanger effect and one without because I wasn't sure which one I liked better.
It sounds
But
like
do we
when you
want
bend a
that?
piece of metal, is what it sounds like.
A little bit, yeah.
But do we want that?
I think Matt, you think you're gonna apply it to the barrels and see what you thought.
I'll stop being a freaking annoying jackass.
Yeah, I was going to, and I got distracted doing other stuff. I also need to
Okay,
listen to look at all these sounds.
Yeah, it's no rush. I've got a bunch of sounds in there right now
I also need to do some
that
slight.
all
bug
need to be
fixing.
reviewed.
That needs to be changed.
I'm gonna mute you guys so I can listen to these sound effects real quick.
You're good.
All good.
Okay, quit. Sweet. Okay, round over menu works. It's functioning. Epic.
Perfect.
Okay.
Now we just need to plug in the values so that it'll keep track of the last run.
Yeah, and if you look at my stream, Jeremy, you'll see the bug that I'm referring to, but with the main menu that I've noticed. So if you go into credits, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like that works, and this works.
I have.
But
Oh, I see.
so you can go from credits to leaderboards, but you can't go from leaderboards to credits for some reason. So I don't know.
Yeah, that's.
I have to take a look at that bug and figure out what's going on there.
If it's.
I think I know the problem.
I'd say that's a relatively low priority bug. So.
It is, but it's annoying. And,
Yeah, fair
and it would take me 5 seconds to fix because I know exactly what's causing it. So
Yeah, if you can get it done quickly, then. Yeah.
there is something that I do need to do in the UI prefab. However,
You got a Steam message there, my friend.
who does what?
You have a Steam message.
Oh, yeah. Just get Steam out of there.
Get out of here.
Okay.
And I feel really useless. This is like an entire game jam.
You're doing fine.
I need to move this adrenaline
Hey, what else?
box.
Like, what else do we need?
What else do we need? I'm gonna be working on the data moshing here in a bit. And Matt should have this in a playable state here pretty soon, yeah? Oh, he's death and dust.
Theoretically. Oh, okay. Wait, hold up. The UI, the main or the health is from 0 to 1.
Yeah. So the health itself is not from 0 to 1, but the
That's just the slider. Oh, okay.
right,
Okay,
because
okay,
1
okay, okay.
is 100% as far as Unity is concerned.
But I thought I fixed that to be. I could have sworn I fixed that. Because I thought I set the the slider UI to something different for the max value. Maybe I didn't.
That I don't know.
Let's see. What do you think would be a good health value? Do you think 1 is good?
I mean, I think so. If we're working off of percentages, I think 100 is the most intuitive for like workflow. But
Because I'm just trying to.
like, really, it doesn't matter that much.
I'm just double checking the.
I think I like it without the flanger a little bit more.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that.
In terms of just like how it sounds when not only when you shoot one, but when you shoot one and then it keeps going, because then the flanger kind of builds up and it sounds a little groggy.
That makes sense. Yeah, I was just curious. I liked both of them, but I didn't know which was going to sound better once it was like actually in play.
Yeah, I was curious about it too. So
All right,
glad we could sort it out.
I just pushed to the sound effects to the main branch.
Perfect.
Hey Matt, you don't have any changes in the UI prefab by any chance, do you?
Nope, I haven't touched
Okay,
it.
okay. Because I'm just doing some little bits of like quality of life stuff real quick. I'm trying to figure out, because for some reason, the UI prefab, when you start the game, your health is at half value instead of max value, which
Yeah, I set that up initially because it feeds from the player.
oh, okay. Do we want it to be at 50% or do we want it to be at full?
Well, I mean, you're not going to start at like their full amount.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like it should just be.
Yeah, we want it to be like immediately like clear to the player, like when they kill their first enemy and they go, oh, like
Yeah,
adrenaline went up. Okay.
I just feel that
So my adrenaline's
half,
going down.
Like maybe go 3/4 because I think half is a little bit too low.
I mean, it gives you a solid like. So right now I have it set up so that adrenaline goes down pretty much 1 a second, one like quote unquote health a second, and so when you, when you're sitting there and you have you start out at 8 is your like max health, and then you have 4 to start. You have 4 seconds essentially to get a kill, your first kill.
Yeah.
And then when you get a kill, it adds I think like a second and a half or something.
Also, do you have the score multiplier working at the moment or no?
No, I don't have anything actually with score right now.
I'll reset the
adrenaline stuff.
I'll reset the score multiplier back to 1 because that's what it's supposed to be when you start. I just had it set to 8 to make sure that it was working properly with the like the draining effect.
Okay, I gotcha.
Alrighty, and you wanted a confirmation button for the quit, correct, Jeremy?
Yeah, when you're trying to quit the game, yes.
Alrighty, that shouldn't be a problem.
And it
How
should just
long?
say "Don't go."
How long was I muted for?
I kind of want to do something funny
I don't know.
with the text
Probably a
though.
while.
Did you hear me when I said I pushed the sound effects to main?
Yes. Yeah, I did hear that.
Okay. It wasn't too long then.
I kind of want to do something funny with the actual like the quit confirmation, like, but are you sure you don't want to kill? I won't. I'll just make
Yeah,
it
you do
something
like the
simple, but...
like the killing floor. Well, no, I'm thinking like you do like the killing floor 2 thing.
Yeah.
The like you can run but you only die tired or something like that. That game's fun.
Killing Floor is fun.
Teleport 2 is a lot of fun for as in performing as it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the fact that it almost crashes every time you launch it.
I was like, I mean, it's literally like rolling the dice. You're like, come on, and launch.
Okay.
At least I know our game's gonna perform better than that, so we're good.
Yeah.
That's literally
We can hope it performs better.
every modding experience I have because I'm completely inept at anything that is technical.
Man, don't sell yourself short, Tyler.
If I can't use Vortex to just hit a button and mod a game, I am like, is this gonna work? Probably not. Crashes the game 8 times in a row.
Jeremy, do you like my message I sent you on Twitch?
I did. It's a good meme.
Someone mod that guy.
Don't worry.
He gets the channel.
I gave Matt something fun for his chat too. So I gave Jeremy the one earlier, so I had to do it to Matt as well.
Had to even it out.
Yeah, I had to level the playing field. Do you
You
want
guys wanna hear a
Do you want them like the or the buttons? Do you want all the buttons to disable on the confirmation and just have the confirmation take its place?
You cut out a little bit. What did you say?
For the confirmation, do you want the confirmation buttons to replace the like the buttons, like the play button, credit button, stuff like that?
Hold on. Let me pull up your stream and kind of show me what you're talking about.
Alright. Let me know when you're on my stream.
Yep, I'm here.
Okay. So, like, do you want me to disable these? And then replace these with the, are you sure you want to quit kind of a thing? And then if you hit no, it just pops this back up?
Yeah, I think that'd look good.
Okay. Because that's kind of what I was thinking. You know, just something super simple, super basic, but, you know, gets the job done.
I also like the idea of it having a different message every time you leave.
Yeah, I agree.
You son of a bitch. You're gonna make me do more coding there, Matt.
Yeah, not much.
We
We could literally just set up a TXT file and load from that.
You'll have to do that because I don't know how to do reading from text files.
Or you can just make it read from a list of strings.
Yeah, I could just hard
That
code.
seems like it's more in your wheelhouse then.
Yeah, I'll just set up like a dictionary or something or a list and put in a couple
I
strings.
remember you walking around
that
bleeding
is
in
super
there.
cool. What is why is there like some snaps just kind of like
Does
I got
are
that.
missing like that right there? What's going on there?
Wait, what?
I'm looking at Matthew's stream.
Everything's working just as intended right now on Matt's stream.
Sure it is. You sure about that, buddy?
Yeah.
It looks super cool, minus the part where you're flying through the air.
And dying.
Did we have to get rid of the flying cars, or did we keep those?
And the flying cars are in. I need to re-download the textures.
Oh, I didn't play that build. Damn.
There was an issue. There was an issue where the like the file size when I was pushing was too large, and it was because there's a bunch of PSD files. Somebody just
For no
straight up
reason.
for no reason, or so it seemed, until we got rid of the PSD files, and then all the textures deleted themselves. It was like, oh,
Because it was somehow reading the textures off of Photoshop files,
evidently
which
the
makes no
textures
damn sense.
are evidently the Photoshop files are absolutely paramount to get to the textures of the flying cars, and I don't know why.
I don't know why. I don't know how.
So couldn't you just open those PSDs and then export them?
I don't have Photoshop, but theoretically, yes.
Well, you can open PSDs in GIMP as well.
That might be the way to do it, but either way, I have to re-download them. Also, did you delete the flying cars? Because they're not spawning in. On the
I'm
server.
not seeing them here. which is weird.
Yeah, that is weird.
They were here earlier.
Can you go back to Snap 7 for me, or Snap 5 for me? And see if they're there in the scene?
Let's see
Snap
what they're
7?
doing here.
Snap 5?
Snap 5.
Yeah. They're in the prefab.
Okay. Yeah, that's really weird.
I did move the, so I moved the, cloud system thing that you have, and now it's a child of our main camera.
Yeah, that's what I figured we'd end up having to do.
So yeah, whenever we like recreate these prefabs, we're going to remove. We're not going to bring the cloud system in with the room file.
Are we keeping the rain effect in?
They're removed for now. If the new shader that's been applied to the enemies makes them more visible, then we might reintroduce it. But as of right now, they were like the enemies were difficult to read,
Oh yeah.
That's fair.
and we need a game that it's clear what's going on before we start introducing.
Yeah.
I
like
think it'll
that.
be okay, but also it might be a good idea to add like an option to turn it off.
Because the rain does make it look cool, but I can see how it can definitely add a lot of chaos to it.
I mean, the game's already pretty chaotic as it is, but
That's what I mean. It's like probably adds a lot more chaos to a game that's already pretty nutty.
yeah, because you're already keeping track of particles as it is, like different like little effects going across. Now the ones that you really need to worry about all glow, so like it's a little bit easier, but.
Do we need to change some of the snaps? Because some of them are like that right there is kind of messed up.
What's wrong with this?
Oh, like the fact that like you can see the backside of a building, like it's the Truman Show.
That's fine.
I think you're just being really judgmental right now.
Yeah, I was gonna
and I don't
say,
like
yeah,
you
we
being a
don't-
bastard.
We don't need that right now. This is the last day of the game jam. Okay, we really need to focus.
I mean, I don't have anything. I don't have anything to do right now, so.
So you're just gonna bring negativity to the team. I see
Wow,
Yeah.
how it is.
unbelievable.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Idle hands are the devil's playthings.
Hey Matt. When
What's
you
up, buddy?
when you gonna get that character animation in?
When I feel like it. Probably about 4 a.m. today.
Fair.
You're not, the real
don't-
answer is you're not my dad. You can't tell me what to do.
Fucking when I feel like it, damn it.
You're not my dad. So, okay, I've got a question, Jeremy.
Yeah, what's up?
Which design layout do you think would look better? Having them up and down, like staying consistent with the main UI? Which actually that's a little off. Or do you want them side by side? I kind of like the up and down just for consistency's sake.
I'm pulling up your screen here.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I got
Yeah, this
channel
is
points. What could I spend channel points on?
channel points are broken at the moment on my stream.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
I need to figure out what's going on with Nightbot, but
I just don't have channel points on mine.
I need
Yeah,
to
I've got you pulled
disable.
up here if you want to show
Okay,
me. what
okay,
it's like.
okay, yeah. So, so you see how like the main UI is straight up and down, right? Vertical. Do you-
Please hold. I have stream delay.
Oh,
Let's just be a second here. Up, there we go. We got the editor up.
how far delayed is it?
It's pretty heavily delayed.
I'm way
That's-
ahead of you. I don't know what's wrong with yours.
I was about to say I have like a 10-second stream delay on mine. Just because my oh yeah. There's the tactical nuke. Oh, you gifted it to Matt. Nice.
Aw, dang it.
But no, I gifted it to fucking.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
you
gifted
gifted
it.
it.
You gifted it to Jerry.
He's a cool dude.
I just gave Twitch $3.
I'm rich.
I'm rich.
Okay, so the vertical. Do you like the vertical better?
With the yes and quit.
Yeah, or do you want me to have the quit, like the quit confirmation? You want them to be horizontally aligned. I kind of like having them both be vertically aligned.
Yeah, I'm liking the vertical look.
Okay.
It's very condensed. Because I was thinking, like, I was looking at this main menu again, and we're talking about maybe continuing the project afterwards.
Yeah.
It would be cool to like do something with some of that empty space. Maybe have like a very 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 translucent like later on when we get like a model that we actually like for the main character instead of something that works.
Yeah.
Like a very very faint render of like the main character's face or something, like all redded out and like maybe
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
fade in a little bit
for sure.
fade
Because I
out.
mean, we've got this entire bottom left corner that's just nothing right now.
Yeah.
So I mean, yeah, for sure.
Either way, that's something we might do with that like empty space over there later. For now, like I said, we're in.
Thanks
Yeah,
for the
the
one.
project.
Thanks for the one bit there.
Yeah, I had to take over your leaderboards.
What
If
is 1 bit? Is that 1 cent?
I don't even think it's 1 cent. I think it's less than that.
I was like, it raises up. It's funny money, like like Clash of Clans or some shit.
Oh,
But,
it's absolutely
So
funny
three-
money.
300 bits is $3. 100 bits is $1.40. 500 bits is $7. What?
so 1 bit is like
So it's cheaper to buy in bulk.
Yeah.
it's a penny.
So if you wanted, hold on, if you wanted 500 bits, you pay $7, or you could just buy 300 bits and get more for less.
Yeah, they're. Well, I don't want to say anything because I don't want to get my Twitch affiliate taken away from me. So.
Let's say, yeah, no, you don't get to talk about anything fun.
Nope.
That's my favorite part
Well-
about not being an affiliate. Is I get to talk about all
You
kinds
can
of.
you can shit talk.
I could say all kinds of things.
Jeremy's over
On my
here.
channel.
Jeremy's over here shit talking, shit posting all the time.
Oh, that like we got to talk about. We get to talk about
Breaking-
like hot button political topics that nobody else that like
Oh,
other
you-
members of.
You gotta tell Matt about about Reed and his Walter White and Breaking Bad.
Oh my
episode.
god. So Reed on the podcast, he said that Breaking Bad was really bad.
which is already a false.
It brought the entire like the entire chat was
Yeah,
like, bro.
yeah. Holy shit.
Okay.
It was pretty funny.
I think this is what cancel culture was meant for.
That's exactly. Hashtag cancel Reed.
Wait, I got you. Hang on, Jeremy. Hang on.
Next badge unlocks in 1 bit.
Do you have emotes? Like custom emotes?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, I've got custom emotes.
Nice.
You
Is
should
it all-
you should have them if you're subbed. I have 3 emotes right now.
Let's see what we got.
Here, I can send them to. I can show you them on my here.
We'll just pull the chat back up. Where did the chat go?
Did you commission artwork for this?
I did. There you go.
Oh, look at that. I have Good King Yikes.
Yeah,
Can
I
I-
got
can
I
I
got
have-
I got a package. I think I have my artist in my description somewhere. I think I commissioned her.
Can I
I think I put
upload
her
a-
stuff.
Can I upload a custom emote?
If you send it to me in DMs, I'll take a look at it.
I was like, yeah, I just
No, I meant for my use.
Oh, for your use?
Yeah, so I can just send it into random chats. I want to put my my
My
profile picture.
Send it
as
to
an emote.
Jeremy. Send it to Jeremy, and he can put it in the Discord.
He put it in the what?
All right.
He can put it in our He can put it in our Discord. Are those?
So I need some.
Are those
He's a
yours? Are those
creeper.
yours, Matt? Are those your emotes?
Oh no.
Oh.
No, these are from Siegel.
Oh.
Siegel and I have been together for 3 years now.
You know what? You know what, Matt? You know what I'm gonna give that? I'm gonna give you that.
Nothing popped up on my screen.
Oh, did it not? It's even better if it doesn't pop up though.
All right, so I need
What
some.
G-
I need some brain power here.
all right, what are we doing?
Just get some G Fool. G Fool?
So,
G fool.
Yeah, he's a G Fool.
all right, so I need to know if
Fuck,
this
right.
makes sense to y'all.
The answer is
So-
no automatically.
So it takes the connection that it's connecting to.
Mhm.
It takes the point that it's going to connect that point to, and then based on its orientation, it will rotate it like 90 degrees if it's east, 180 if it's south, 270 if it's west, and then if it's north, you don't rotate it at all. But
Man, sounds like you're doing math over there.
But if the previous connection is east, then well, actually, I have it the opposite now. If the previous connection's already east, then bro, you don't need to rotate that. So it removes the rotation. There's probably a better way to handle this, but it removes the rotation if these match essentially.
Every single programmer that watches your stream is gonna be like, "You're doing it wrong."
He's a genius. Oh my god.
It's
Sense to me.
It's like going on Stack Overflow and you ask a simple question, you get shit posted on.
It
Yeah,
makes
so-
sense to me, so I'm gonna say it's probably wrong.
There was an old joke on Programming Humor where it was like how to get the correct answer on Stack Overflow.
The answer,
Step
you
one.
don't.
Yeah.
Post your question. Step 2, log into an alternate account and post in a matter-of-fact answer to it that it's very wrong. Step 3, wait for someone to come in and scream at your alt account and then give you the actual answer.
That seems pretty accurate
I
to
was
my.
gonna say that couldn't be more accurate.
That would work every single time that works.
Oh,
Bot.
bot, why
There.
you freezing there, buddy?
Nothing makes you not want to seek help like Stack Overflow.
True.
I look at
that
Stack
attitude-
Overflow like this. I look at it and I'm like, all right, no one has asked my question. Well, I'm not asking that question, so
Yeah, for real.
That attitude is carried over into Reddit as well. I remember fucking. I posted it wasn't even like an actual. It wasn't even an actual like coding thing. It was literally just like a meme that was in code format. And people jumped down my throat and were like, "That's so fucking like." That's such an inefficient way to do that, you fucking idiot. You should do it like this. It's like,
That's
bro,
really funny.
It's like I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, here you go, Jeremy. What do you think about this?
pulling back up. Yes, this is code.
How far behind are you on the stream?
I'm this far behind.
Hang on, I want to see your stream. I want to see
My God.
how.
He just opened up this.
guys, I'm gonna mute myself. That's
Jesus.
a big brain this rule.
Wow, you are really far behind.
Dude, I am loud as shit on your stream too.
You are
On
on my stream.
Jeremy's stream.
Oh, on Jeremy's.
Oh, here.
Are you good on mine? Because I've been trying to do like balancing of the audio
Just
a little
mute me. I hate my own voice.
bit.
There we go. I got you turned down a bit.
All right, Jeremy, you're almost there. You get to see my beautiful typing errors as well.
Oh, we're so close.
Dude, this is gonna be Inception in just a minute because you're gonna see me watching your stream on my stream. Yeah, my amazing typos.
I'm a big fan of the typos.
Should I just leave the typos in?
Something to that effect. Probably not something so blunt like that, but like that idea for sure.
Are you fucking serious? You want to quit?
Whoa, what
how
is
dare
going on
you.
there?
That's gonna be my placeholder.
That works for me.
That'll be my placeholder.
Okay, yeah, I need to read
I
the
could
connection first.
probably take out the "Are you fucking" part and just leave it as "Are you serious? You want to quit?"
What, you gonna put say, are you gonna cry?
What are you gonna cry about it?
Oh,
Yeah,
the
just be
cars
like,
Maybe
stay,
piss your
cars
pants.
stay in. I just opened up
Maybe
the,
shit and cum.
I just opened up the, generation test and the cars are still here.
what genre, like what rating are we going for? Is it T, M?
Probably M. These are a lot of the games that we're taking inspiration from.
It would have been
I
like
think
T for teen. honestly.
Generally got M ratings.
T for tweens.
Like what is M rated in this game so far?
I don't know so far.
Me,
I
me,
think
me saying the word "fucking" in the main menu.
I think right now we're hitting teen ratings, but like later on, and we're gonna be adding more to this in the future.
Yeah, see, I think that looks a little bit better. Like it's like, wow, crybaby. I
thought I fixed it and I didn't.
I have it
did the opposite.
saying, so right now this is what it
Oh,
says, Jeremy.
right.
I'll DM it to you
Yeah, don't do that.
so you don't have to watch my stream.
Guys, I didn't fix it.
Oh, come on. What are we paying you
Things
for?
got much worse.
What are
Now
we
there's
paying you for,
a
man?
woman's ass poking out of this building and cars going over here when there shouldn't be.
Matt, what are we paying you for? Come on.
Company?
Oh, I need to double
That's
your
funny.
pay then.
What's up, Dark? How you doing?
Oh, you got what's up gamer over there.
Yeah, dude, we got fucking
Yeah.
we got gamers in the chat, boys. The real Sigma males are here.
Oh, you have a exclamation point jam feature? Look at you,
Yeah.
Mr. Popular Streamer.
No, I'm just making sure. Gotta make sure Truth knows where everything is. Nah, Truth's the guy that hangs out in our streams all the
Oh,
time.
I forgot there's a game jam tag. I should put that on, huh?
All right, Jeremy, what do you think about that?
There we go.
Or should I say like, wow, wuss?
Let's try something.
Loser.
I like how on your stream, Ryan, it cut off your name so it just says "Good L Cringe."
Perfect. Here. Does that work if I do it on Matt's?
Do what? I don't
Does
think
it-
Matt has his.
Does it say good L cringe on yours, Matt?
No, not in the thing. Like on your actual stream screen, like how you have it overlaid over your
Oh.
vector.
Yeah.
How about something like that?
Let me just copy and paste.
Huh.
Yeah, that works. I mean, I like the idea that Matt had of multiple different
Yeah, I agree.
messages, but I don't know if I'll be able to get that done tonight. I'll take a stab at it. because it
I
should.
mean, all you need to do for that is you set up a list of strings.
Well, I get that
Um,
part, but would I just use like Unity.random, like Unity Engine.random?
Just
Random-
use random dot
range.
range,
Yeah.
and then
Okay.
0 to
Whatever, however many you
list
have in that.
length plus 1. Because, well, no, it would just be list length.
Yeah, it should be just
so
list
0
length.
to list length, and then or list dot count, and then
Yeah, I was gonna say list.count.
and that would set it to whatever it chooses, and then you just fill in a bunch of different ones.
Gotcha. Okay.
That's
Yeah.
awesome. I just loaded up a generation test, and it completely blocked me in. There's like nowhere to go.
Okay, I think this scene is good. The only thing I'm not for sure about is I got the Hollow Lady now on the scene here, and I don't know if I like where she's at. What do you guys think?
Hang on, I gotta pull up your stream.
I think if you
Mm,
I think if you rotate her to face towards the middle and then move her a little bit more towards the corner, it would look better.
well,
Corner of that building.
it looks a little weird because it looks like it's just kind of in the middle of nowhere for no reason. If that
Is it
makes
kinda what?
sense. It kind of looks like it's just in the middle of nowhere for no reason. If that makes any sense.
For no reason, yeah.
I gotcha. I was thinking like I don't know if you watched like the original Blade Runner.
Yeah, I have.
You know they had like giant hologram ladies that were just kind of like walking around.
Yeah, but, I mean, I don't disagree with the concept of it, but it just looks weird in context like that.
I gotcha. Something like that though is what you're talking about.
Yeah, something that's a little bit closer to the building to make it look like it's like a I don't know, like an advert for the building or
Yeah.
something like that.
Makes sense.
It's a really weird looking building for that kind of advert.
Dude, it's they're trying to hide it, you know? They're trying to hide their shady practices.
And then advertising with a giant Halloween.
Yeah. Look, the lore of the game hasn't really been fleshed out, okay?
Well, that's one of the things I just kind of accepted is that pretty much everything here is a placeholder, and we'll probably end up like.
We've only had 8 days to work on this, you know, so.
Yeah. This is very firmly in prototype territory.
Yeah, if you can call it a
So-
prototype.
The first game jam that I'd participated in was a 3-day one. And just holy shit, man.
So Matt just Matt basically just said I sold my soul for those 3 days is what he said.
I mean, pretty much.
To be fair, that's kind of what you've been doing with our college project too, though. So
I want to see
Alright.
what Matt's doing, even though I won't understand any of it.
he's doing, you know, programmer stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
In that case, I'm gonna go ahead and save this scene. And what is next on my docket here?
Okay, so public.
We're about to pull out the old paint tab here to figure this out.
Paint
I'm gonna
tab,
click
what?
this.
Okay, and I can edit. String words are difficult. I can edit lists from the inspector, correct? Like I can add and remove stuff from that. Hello? Did my internet die on me?
Sorry, can you repeat that again? I
Okay,
had
yeah.
a huge brain fart there.
For lists, I can add and remove stuff from those inside of the Unity inspector, correct?
Yeah, I think you just need to make it public, and you can.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
That's how did you get the submission due time?
Yeah, there
up
we go. Yeah, list is empty. Let's say 3 messages for right now, just because.
New pull request is up.
Huh.
Should be properly merged. Main should be updated with snaps 6 done.
I closed GitHub.
A good song.
Yeah, this guy makes a ton of good stuff. I remember he was on. I was playing fucking Hood Outlaws and Legends. I played a lot of his music alongside like Perturbator, Carpenter Brute, Magic Sword. Basically a bunch of like synthwave artists who had like gone on record publicly on their Twitter and been like, yo, all of my music you can use on Twitch. If he gets taken down, contact me directly and I'll take care of it.
Jeremy, this is one of the... There you go. There's one of the quit messages.
That's pretty good.
Losing your...
Wait, don't go. We were just getting to know each other.
I say yeah, just clean up the grammar.
Yeah.
We're good to go. I like that one.
The grammar's fine. I don't know what you're talking about. I know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, fine. I'll add a punctuation at the end there, Jeremy. Does that make you happy?
Also the capitalized W there.
But the letters are all capitals.
Oh, are they all? Oh, yeah, you're right. They are. That doesn't matter.
I was about to say, haha, tricked you.
I completely forgot that was a thing.
Yeah.
I was about to say that's all capital letters in this font.
I'm so pissed. I found a font that I really liked.
Is it not public domain?
It's not public domain, and the guy was like, if you want to use this in like a commercial project, you just need to buy it.
Sorry.
No worries.
You're
You just need to buy it from my website. And I went to his website and he was like, most of his fonts were like anywhere between like $10 to $20. It's like, that's not bad. I'd be willing to pay $10 to $20 for a font. So I was like, all right, let's track down this specific font. That specific font is not on his website at all.
Okay, so public void awake is, I'm assuming, as soon as the object is activated, correct?
Public void awake. Yeah, public void awake is like the very first frame, the start of the first frame that that
So it's the
script is activated.
Oh, so it's the script. Okay, it's not because it's not like a start one where it starts at the start of the scene, right? It's as soon as the object itself is activated.
To my understanding, yes.
Okay.
Take that with a grain of salt, though. Matt would know more than me.
Okay, when Matt gets back, I'll double check. That to my knowledge, that's what it means. So, okay, so I need random dot range.
I think start is also for when the script is activated. By the way,
So is it random dot random range?
Yeah,
is
I
it-
believe it's random range. Let me verify real quick.
Sorry, I've never done I've never actually programmed a words. Jesus Christ.
It is random dot range, and then in parentheses,
Okay, so it's just
you'll
range.
have your starting value, comma, your ending value.
Okay, so starting
So-
value is 0, end
Yes.
value is messages
Dot count, I believe.
dot count. And then I need to hook this up to a game object.
All right, I'm gonna stop procrastinating.
Or no, because I have to set that up as a integer or a float value, right? And then from that float value, it would programming. I'm not good at it, but we'll figure something out here. Okay, so I can create a local variable here. New float Oh god, I'm having a brain fart here. My body does not want to work.
I like how the food vendor is literally just called street food.
Yeah.
Fuck. I forget how to create a local... Isn't it just new and then you create the local variable? Fuck it, I'll just make it a global variable. Public float message value although so how would this random.range work? Does it store it somewhere?
How does what?
The random.range, does it automatically store it somewhere, or
It will just okay. So you need to have it store a variable.
okay? So I've got a float value.
Make it an int value, not a float value.
Okay.
Yeah. And what you'll do is it's going to store that int value, and then you're basically going to tell it, okay, so with that int value, I want you to now grab whatever that int value is in the list.
So what I have here is I've got. Does it need to be a local variable or a global variable, or does it matter?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, so random.range 0 messages.count, and then to store that into the integer, it would be.
So
wait.
I'd make it global just with
wait.
the
Okay. I've got it. I literally just had a huge, massive brain fart. Okay, message value equals random.range. Woohoo! I'm not entirely incompetent. Jesus, I don't know why that was so difficult for me. Like that was the most basic thing. I'm like, why can't I figure this out? Oh god. My brain's melting. Alrighty, and then I need a text component, so I need using Unity Engine .ui, because I need a global variable for the message text, and then message text dot text equals message value dot toString I guess I don't need that because it's already a string. Okay, theoretically this should work. Theoretically. Let's test it and find out. Let me hook up everything that's needed. Did what?
The big white screen.
On my stream?
No, on my stream. That's what
Oh.
you like to see.
Okay, so text is that. Save. And then what I need to do is this quit button instead of logic.quitGame, which I will have to put into this script as well. It needs to enable quit confirmation and disable main UI. Okay. Let's see.
I'm just waiting for.
Okay, so something popped up there.
Come on.
That's good. That's good. Now let me set up the no button so that I can just test it multiple times. And then main UI active. Okay, so it's random every time, at least in terms of like when you start the game, but it is not. Okay, so what I'm gonna hard code this in a way that I know how. Public, I'm gonna make this its own method and function, so it's not on awake. Change message. So what I will. Okay. So what I need to do now is quit confirmation. Change message.
No, I got everything.
Alright, moment of truth. Will this work? Haha! Why is it... So it's just going down the list. Like it just goes 1, 2, 3. Oh, I know why. Because it's not resetting the message value. Although it shouldn't have to.
So it should grab a new. Yeah, you may need to have it like clear the text value. Before it basically like delete whatever is currently there.
Well, because it's. All right, let me do some debugging here. Play focused. I'm gonna check the quit confirmation to see the value, if it's actually changing or if it's literally just going down the list. Okay, so element 2. Oh, okay. What I need to do, yeah, I need to have it to where it clears the message value. Yeah, that's exactly what it is, because it's once it sets at the message value. Wait, no. Oh, no, it's working. It's working just fine. It's just because there's only 3, you're likely to get the same one in a row multiple times.
Yeah, that's gonna be a thing.
Which I think I have a way that I could potentially do a check statement on it. But that would require me to add in another variable that would be like message value previous text. But I could technically put that into where it's checking to see if the last text, like just making sure that the last text isn't played twice in a row, kind of a thing.
I got you.
I think. Maybe. Also, I will be right back. I'm gonna go grab a drink.
Okay. Sounds good. Hmm. Oh, I know what my issue is. Why am I getting this? Component, .get component T can be inferred from usage. Try specifying the type of arguments explicitly. Am I stupid? This should work. What am I missing?
Alrighty, I have returned with a drink.
Welcome back. That's really strange. That this .get component should be valid, but it wants me to specify.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to get a component, which, according to this is the right code. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here.
I'm probably gonna get off because I'm not doing anything other than fighting for my life.
All right,
No worries, man.
take it easy.
No worries. Have a good night, Tyler.
You too.
This drink is some good shit. So I think what I've decided, instead of trying, like, I'll figure out how to do that. I'll figure out the checking the previous message at a later date because it's not super important. I'm just gonna add in a bunch of different leave ones because the more you have, the more likely you'll get a different one every single time.
Yeah, and that's what I would do, honestly. Like, it's not a big deal. If they
It's
get, like,
not it's not worth the programming for it right now.
Not really, yeah.
Alrighty, and then okay. So the next one that I have, Jeremy, is you were supposed to be the one. And then I've got fine, leave, just like the others. Let's see. What's another good one? I'll just say, really? Already? Gotta love writing dialogue for this stuff, don't you?
Oh, I'm dumb. I'm doing this on the wrong spot.
But it adds a nice little bit of character to the game by doing this.
Yeah, I agree.
Let's see.
Yeah, I need to go back over here. shaders hiding.
I don't know about this one because it sounds kind of passive aggressive, but I kind of like it. I put in, so you don't want to play anymore. Yeah, that's great, but I didn't want you to anyways. I don't know if that one's gonna fit, so I need to test that one. Because there is a limit to how much you can write. It does fit perfect. So,
Right,
you don't
there
want
you
to
go.
play anymore. Yeah, that's great. I didn't want you to anyways. I love that. I love that. I don't know, do you think 7 is alright, or do you want me to go up to 10?
7 should be fine.
Because I mean, obviously you can cycle through the dialogue pretty...
Right, but like, I mean,
It's good enough to where it's like, oh yeah, no, that's decent.
yeah.
Alrighty, now let me do a public void quit game function. Application dot quit. And then I will hook that up to the yes button. Quit confirmation. And quit game. And for testing purposes, debug dot log
Okay, we're gonna close out with this one. We're gonna make a different shader.
I guess I could just do
We need
print.
to delete this surface shader. Create shader. I think it's image effect shader. Data moss shader. Sampler 2D
Cool. That worked. Perfect.
text. Change text i.uv.
Okay.
Fixed for mod. There we go. That explains a lot of the issues I was having. Wait, why is that? Why did that indent like that? That was strange.
Okay, let me do that, and then just as a precautionary measure, I like to always do this.
Plus equals. There we go.
This way, on startup, this won't pop up. Do you want a build included somewhere, like a build version?
Like a yeah, we should probably make like once you've got it ready and we've got things like in place, we should definitely have like a separate build.
Oh, I was just meaning like a little text component showing what version you're on.
Oh, I got you. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can add that on the main. I can add that on the main menu, like on like the bottom corner, or something. I'll keep it on the left side to keep it consistent.
I gotcha.
It might take up a little bit of the bottom left, like little box area. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna go on mute real quick.
What the fuck? Why? That's an issue. Okay. Let's save this. Come on. Save. There we go. And we'll go back to the data mosh effect. That's an issue. I need Matt to come back so I can figure out why the fuck that's doing that. Hmm. Component, get component. Type of arguments for method component dot get component. T cannot be inferred from the use. Inferred from the usage. Okay. Oh, I see. I need to clarify what it is I'm grabbing. So if I'm wanting to grab should this dot get component not be I guess to me it's transform that I needed to grab? Let's try that, see if that's what I need to do. No, that's not right. It's going to be applied to the camera. I figured it would be transformed. Camera? think that's right. Then, yeah, looks like we're not. It's not shitting itself. It's not upset anymore. So that's good. What is wrong with that? Oh. Forgetting these goddamn semicolons. Always fucks you every single time. So add the shader to a material, then add the script to your camera and the material to the DMAT variable on the script. So if I go to back to Unity, I create material, and we'll call it data moshing material. And add the script to the camera and the material to the DMAT variable on the script. There we go. Should see motion vectors visualize as color now. So let's save. And then we'll hit play. And the colors should be like a little weird and wonky now. If I did everything right. Oop, you got noises?
What about noises? I have returned. Or I have...
Looks like it's not doing what I want it to do.
There we go. Mic's back. There we go.
Welcome back.
I hate this mic. I need to get a new one.
Frustrating.
I need to get a new one so bad. The sensitivity... Like, I have to be talking super loud. Like, if I just talk normally, it just starts to drop off my voice.
I gotcha.
I'm surprised my stream is going pretty healthy right now. Like, I was expecting my stream to be kind of dead. I was really worried about my internet connection.
Why is this not doing what I want it to do?
You still working on the Git component stuff?
The data mosh. No, I got the Git component now.
Oh, you're doing the data moshing.
Yeah. So,
Alrighty. So if credits.activeSelf leaderboard
maybe the issue is the type of shader. Let me try.
Also, when you're in the menu or in the actual game, do you want me to have it to where if you hit escape, it takes you to the main menu?
When you do what?
When you press escape. I feel like that's that'd be a nice quality of life thing, so that you don't have to alt F4. I will set that up. Yeah, I'll hook that up in the Adrenaline UI. Alrighty. If
No, this definitely is not right.
or no, this needs to be input dot get key down. No, not get access. Get key down. Dot escape. Or dot key code.
minus represents y minus, r minus represents x minus, r plus represents x plus, g plus represents y plus.
Alrighty, the escape function should be
Grabbing
working.
rotation, or is it grabbing? I think it should be grabbing vector, yeah, not rotation. So,
Woohoo, I got 3 viewers. Let's fucking go.
hell yeah. And it's grabbing motion vectors, depth texture mode, dot motion vectors.
Oh, I jinxed it. As soon as I said that, it went down to 2.
Yeah, it's a lesson that I learned pretty quick. Don't ever shout out how many viewers you have. Inevitably, someone will leave.
Dude, I guarantee if I said the word PogChamp, I'll definitely get all the viewers. But I won't because I have a sense of self-respect.
I'll never get over the video of the guy fucking his girlfriend and shouting, "Oh, your pussy is poggers. Your pussy is poggers."
Jesus Christ. That made me cringe in like 17 different ways.
Oh yeah, no, it was incredibly cringy.
Hang on, I want
Oh,
to...
I know the issues. Same
Let
by TV
me-
main text.
Let me test something.
I forgot a line. V2F, I, SP target, Pixor call, fix IUV. There, let's try that.
Why...
No, it's still not doing what it should be doing.
So weird.
Hmm. Let's turn the UI back off.
Let me see if
Grab
this...
the camera.
Let me see if this solves the issue here.
So it definitely should be. The material should be fucking, or like the colors and stuff should be wigging out now. There should be an effect that's applied to it. It feels like it's not doing what it should be doing. What in the fuck?
Oh, wait a minute. Oh. I may have figured out that bug. Why am I constantly checking when I can literally just put it in this method? I'm an idiot. I can literally just put in here if leaderboard.activeSelf and or no, I could do. No, I'll just put it in 2 different check statements is what I'll do.
Now, when you move your camera in scene space, or if objects in view have movement relative to the camera, you should see motion vectors visualize as colors, but only during movement. Well, fuck. I don't know why that's doing that, but gonna take a short break. So just hit the 2 hour mark.
Yeah, go for it, man.
So sit tight, my dudes. I will be right back. And you just all stay pretty out there, yeah?
Alrighty.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Yeah, no worries, man. Have a good break. Alright, let's see. Will this solve... Will this solve that bug? If so, perfect. Haha! Awesome. Fuck. Oh. I need to do this. Actually, I don't even need to do that. What I can do is this. I wonder, is Matt still... We'll figure that out later. Alrighty. So, what we need to do is stop watching Matt's stream. And, let's see. I gotta program this to where both the leaderboard and that... Okay, so... Leaderboard... Dot set active... False... And... Settings... Actually, I don't even need to do this. I don't know why I'm wasting my time hard coding that. I can just do this. Let me just do this instead. I'll hard code it this way instead. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, I'm back.
Nice break, nice break.
Thank you.
I fixed the main menu bug, Jeremy.
Perfect. I'm gonna take us off break from the stream if you're good to go.
Yeah, I've been streaming. Like,
Cool.
I'm still streaming, so.
We are motherfucking back. There we go.
Say, me and my chat have just been vibing to the music.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, I figured out what the problem was.
What was going on with it?
I had it in an update script, so it was overwriting what the buttons were already doing. So I just took out the update script and put another like check statement inside the actual functions themselves, basically saying if the credits menu is active, just disable it.
That will do it.
So, yep, fixed that. So the main menu should be fully up and ready to go, other than I just have to put in the little tiny buggerino, or not the bug thing, the build. What I do want to check to see how this looks in free. Oh. Interesting, okay. The main text appears to be janked.
None of these are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Okay.
Okay, so free aspect in full screen looks great. 16 by 9. The juice is cut off. It just says JUIC. Interesting. Why?
Is it the text box too small?
Maybe. Let me expand that bad boy out real quick.
Could be an easy fix, yeah.
Oh yeah, it'll be an easy fix for sure.
Undeclared identifier text 2D. Okay.
Let me go back to 1920 by 1080 so that I can... Alrighty, let me do that. And then let me test.
Camera motions, vector, texture, i.ub.
Okay, 16 by 10 is completely broken. The text itself is just completely not there. The buttons are still there. Nothing else is though. Fuck. Interesting. 1330. Okay, so that one works. That one works. HD 1920 by 1080 works. 4K. 16 by 9 aspect ratio does not work. Free aspect does not work. What the hell?
Shouldn't that be reading this properly?
Oh, I figured. Okay. There we go.
Text 2D.
That's still too small? Jesus Christ.
Line 47.
16 by 9 is being a pain in my ass. So is 16 by 10.
Undeclared identifier.
Let me just expand this fucker all the way over. If there's still problems with it by doing this, I'm gonna be a little interested. Okay, sweet. 16 by 9 and 16 by 10 are fixed. Fuck yeah. Alright. Good news, Jeremy. All of them work. And as intended. They all look just like they're supposed to.
Nice.
Sweet. Alrighty, I think the main menu... Oh, I did not mean to duplicate that. Alrighty, I believe the main menu is ready to go.
Solution to this issue is either to make sure the proper side is always facing.
I like how I said I wanted to be done by 7:30, and here it is at 9:30.
Order variables within the shader matters. You need to declare variables before you use them. If you don't declare a variable until after a function uses it, you'll get this error. Just move the declaration to the proper spot. So, this is already declared if I'm understanding correctly. Because it's calling oh, god damn it. Fucking I hate coding. I hate coding so much.
Same.
It had to be a capital D, and I had a lowercase d. It needed a big D. Okay. So that thing is cleared, or the air is cleared, but still not doing what it's supposed to be doing.
I'm trying to remember. I think there was something there was something else that I needed to do before I was done for the day.
Turn the UI off. Go back to the main camera.
Let me just double check the roundover scene.
Why? For what purpose? What do you achieve by cucking me like this, game?
Say, I think everything is functioning. At least all the stuff that I've worked on. Oh, yeah, the credits. Yeah, I needed to add some
Guys,
stuff to the
we
credits.
We did it.
Matt's back.
We fucking big daddy brain this.
What happened?
I opened up Paint, and we figured it out.
What were you doing?
What?
We were trying. I was trying to figure out how to get my rotations all correct.
Yeah.
How much did your brain melt? Is the real question.
Yes.
very-
So essentially, we had to figure out what direction it had to rotate in to match the opposite direction of the current point, because it has to line up. And then the next step was to then update all of the connection directions listed, which was very simple once we actually did it.
Yeah.
But it actually, like, if you look at my stream, it actually works.
Trying to pull it up here. Boop. And there we go.
We have endless levels and all the pieces, which means that there's a seam right here, which means that on one of the snaps the connection point's just a little bit off.
Hold tight. I'm gonna refresh the scene.
So, hey Jeremy, could you are you taking music from this current playlist?
Okay, I'm watching now.
So yeah, coming through here. I also need to set up a system so that it deletes it, but as long as you keep moving forward, there's always a correct direction to go.
Perfect.
I do need to make, like I said, I do need to make it so that it deletes the old buildings, because otherwise, slowly but steadily, this FPS number is going to go
It's gonna tick
down,
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 yeah.
down, down, down. Yeah, so there's some seams in some places, so we need to double check the connection points and make sure they're doing okay.
Okay.
I don't know
I
if
see.
that comes across on the stream pretty well.
Yeah,
but,
I can see it.
so just making sure the connection points are like those need to be snapped perfectly to the edge.
Yep. I'll go back through every scene and redo them.
But this is absolutely huge.
Still no traffic.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened. Well, here's a vehicle container that got loose. So there's traffic.
Oh, it's
It's
just all
just-
underneath the map.
I don't know why. I don't
is
know.
it-
And way
did
far
its
away from...
Position data get messed up somehow?
Oh no! It is going through here. There it is. It does exist.
Is it just not rendering?
Oh, is it like a time thing?
It takes like a couple seconds before it...
Oh, I picked
Basically,
it.
the cars spawn at the start of those green lines
Okay.
when
freaking
the thing is
I
spawned
had a
in.
car the whole time.
Okay. And so it spawns there, and then it goes.
Yeah, and then it travels. It has like travel time.
Is there
Does it when it?
is there any
Can
way
we
that you
can we shorten these
pre-warm
green
that?
lines, so that when it gets to the end, it will reset faster?
Or can you
don't
do that?
So we have a tire.
know.
Are you able to do that, or are you able to pre-warm it in any way? Like have it going before?
Like, is it possible to get a constant stream of cars essentially?
It might be, but I don't know. I haven't fucked with it at all. It was a script that was already pre-written in one of the asset packs, so we would need to look at the script.
Okie dokie. Yeah, truth. I will also show you some.
What was the question you wanted to ask Matt, Jeremy?
Yeah, I need you to look at my script here, and see.
Me?
Yes, you. Specifically for
Mr. Programmer Boy.
I'm trying to apply the shader, and it's not doing what I want it to do right now. It's being a real pain in the ass about it.
All right. Well, let's take a gander.
Yeah, let me go ahead and exit that. Pull it over here.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Also, what do we want to call the game so that I can adjust the title?
Cherry bomb.
Do we want to go with what was it that you Gutter Punk? Do we want to name it Gutter Punk?
I'm cool with Gutter Punk. I like that. So here I'll start by showing
Matt, do
you.
you got any objections to that?
Gutter punk. It should be fine.
Gutter
Try by
Punk?
pulling this up. This is kind of the effect that we should be seeing right now, based off of what I have, where like the lights will kind of get a little wonky.
Okay.
But I hit play,
When you hit play.
and it reloads the script assemblies.
Lovely script assemblies.
It's not doing that. As you can see, the lights and the materials are quite normal. And then
Okay. Is this the shader?
yeah,
Like a written
there's a
shader?
shader. Yeah, so here I'll show you what I've got.
Shader
Oh, good
code's
lord.
not my strong suit, so we'll do what we can. But whoa, what the fuck?
Yeah, there's the material, and it's weirdly enough, it looks like it has all of your dudes T-posing around it.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay. All right. Yeah.
So it at least understands where it's supposed to be, which is strange. I didn't know that it would do this. So I'll pull up the scripts that I have. I have this script, which is attached to the camera right now. Which avoid start, get the camera component from the camera, and then dot depth texture mode.
Vectors.
Depth texture mode equals depth texture mode dot motion vector, and then on render image, graphics.blit source destination and dmat
Hover over on render image for me.
on render image.
Yeah. Like hover over the. Is that where is that getting called from?
On render image. That's a good question. Well, here, I'm gonna send you the guide that I was looking at, so that you can read, because you may be able to understand some things that I'm not fully understanding.
It is a default class, it looks like, so it does get called. It's a built-in mono behavior thing, so you're good. You're good. I was just curious about it. Yeah, go ahead and send me the thing.
Yep, I just sent it to you. And I have the first two scripts done. The basic, like prep your script. There, the image effect script, and then the using motion vectors and shader. This first script here. I'll actually pull up that so you can see it. Oh, right. I already have it open. I just need to do this.
I see that.
If I'm understanding correctly, what this should be doing is it should be grabbing these. Fix for call is color equals texture 2D, main texture i.uv, which according to this is inverting the colors. And then this one is using motion instead. It is basically telling it to do that while the camera is moving. Explicitly based off of the.
So it gets the colors, and then based on movement, it adjusts the colors. Okay.
Yep, color plus equals motion.
And then it returns that color. Okay.
Yep, and then returns.
So where is that getting sent to,
that-
I guess?
Is then applying to this material. And this material is then called in this script, which you can see on the main camera. It's called right here. Trashbird, no, that's disgusting. Don't do that. Don't pee in a bottle.
That fucking dude.
Fucking.
That guy. You didn't. But
That
what?
fucking guy.
But maybe.
Fucking trash bird. This is why you're called trash bird.
Yeah, that's what Trash Bird's referring to. It's us, very much so.
Do you want me? Do you want the title? Do you want me to leave that in plain white text with gutter punk, or do you want me to change the color of that?
Yeah, I'd say leave it in plain white text.
Okay. I kind of like leaving the leaderboard
Well, you got
red.
the name. Not as trashy as guys who put their socks on before their pants, though. So, there's that trash bird.
You at least got that going for you.
Real trashy, exactly.
Oh, also, Matt, if you look at my stream,
I need to hold the push to talk button to talk to you. Truth gets to hear me talk twice. So based on like my little shader knowledge that I actually have, everything looked correct. Although the only thing I can think of is that there's no base color to modify because you have it at white. Like, click on the material that you applied.
Yeah, I'm here.
There's room for a texture. Throw on a random texture for me.
Okay.
Like, just select in the texture box there, and just pick something.
Yeah.
Or just literally click in the box itself there, and I don't know, pick.
You want to go try to steal some cars?
We'll go with this brick one albedo, I guess.
It's amazing. I love
There's
it.
some jeans somewhere.
And then if we hit play.
Oh yeah, fighter fire plants in there too.
Hey, what's up, Dark Truth? Welcome to the stream.
Yeah, he's the boy who helped talk me through it all.
Man,
Oh my god.
the dark truth isn't coming to my stream yet. God, dang it!
See what your patchwork shirt looks like.
He's the actual genius here. He's actually been doing all the programming for us all semester and stuff.
It makes sense now.
Oh yeah. It's
Go away, UI.
Here
Here we go. Yeah, see, it's still not doing anything with that. Even with that texture applied, it's still not.
Oof, my ugly ass old UI. Ugh, get it away from me.
I'm not sure.
Oh god damn! I hate that white trash is a blocked term on. Oh yeah, we also minor bug that I noticed while doing this. If you barrel stuff a wall, you
Yeah.
can shoot through it.
Yeah, that's a known thing.
What's not applying? The data moshing tutorial that I have. So I have this data moshing tutorial, and right now the camera should kind of look like this, where like the lights are, or like the colors are kind of wonky. But
Is
it's
it
not
based on camera motion?
Yes, it's based on
Sorry.
camera motion.
Maybe our camera doesn't move enough.
It's possible.
So to test that, click on the character, and just increase the speed. In the motor, increase the movement speed.
Yeah, we'll do it to
Just-
like 50. We'll be zipping around.
Because maybe we just need to multiply the change a little bit by something.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Also, I'm
Well,
going
we can't even tell.
I'm gonna push my
Well,
changes.
should, like, the color still should be changing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, nothing.
So I'm gonna push my changes so you guys can work with the new stuff that I have just done.
It is applying?
Is my mic muted?
No, I can hear you.
No, we can.
Okay,
hear
okay,
you.
okay. Thank
I'm
you.
I'm staring very intently at this screen trying to figure out.
Oh fuck! What all did I do?
Where's the
It's only
shader
applied to
right now?
the character. Hyperspeed game time.
Yeah, so you thought so, but it might be the lights on the level. Yeah, so the shader is applied to this material, and then this material is on this script.
Do me
it
a
is specifically on the main camera here, right here.
Apply that material to the ground.
Apply the material to the ground. Okay.
Just like drag it on there and just see what happens.
I can.
Like whenever we
Oh, there we go.
fucking Unity in its UI.
Hey, don't diss my UI.
Doesn't it need to be applied to the camera? It is applied to the camera. So the way that the tutorial, at least the way that I'm understanding the tutorial. Oh my god, you can't see anything with this on.
Yeah, holy shit.
Also, I just fucking wedged myself into the wall. That's why our speed isn't set to 50.
Yeah, that is. Yeah, you can probably set it back now.
But yes,
It's
it is
like-
applied to the camera here. I'll kind of show you. So it's applied to the material. The material is then applied to this DMAT on this script. This script, there it is, has public material DMAT. It then says the script grabs the camera component. Says this dot get component camera dot depth texture mode equals depth texture mode dot motion vectors. And then the dot shader. Okay. Here's the actual important part of the dot shaders down here. The rest of that's just the default stuff that starts on the shader.
You should also double check to make sure that it's like in the default section, there's not like a fixed frag, like something similar to that you might be like not able to overwrite when you have another version of it.
So yeah, here's what I got. Main text texture 2D
Yeah, no.
equals white.
It looks okay.
No culling or depth. There is pragma fragment frag here.
I think you're just setting that up though. That's not a. There shouldn't be an issue.
Yeah.
Man, I know like jack shit about shaders, so it doesn't. I'm not gonna be much help.
Yeah, I'm struggling a bit.
If that's one area that I can definitely improve on.
It doesn't look like the whole shader though. Yeah, it's so the whole shader should look like. So yeah, this is what it should look like right now. The whole shader, once we're done, should
Oh,
look
hell
like.
yeah, I can send whatever links I want in Jeremy's chat, and I send it back to you.
Should look like this.
We're not at the end part yet, so.
Just keep going. Just keep like pushing through. That link looks sus. Every link is sus. We're just sussy lads. Now we have Give access to motion vectors for each on-screen pixel. Let's use it to create a UV displacement. You think it's doing its
Alrighty.
job? Okay, fair enough.
I think I am probably going to call it a night. Jeremy, send me any assets you need me to put into the credits.
You cut out there. I didn't hear a word you just said.
I said I'm gonna head out. I'm getting tired. DM me any of the stuff you need me to put in the credits, like for any assets.
Okay.
And I'll either get that imported tonight on my laptop or tomorrow morning. One of the two.
I gotcha. Makes sense.
But, yep, that's going to do it for me, chat.
Have a good night, my dude.
Later,
Oh,
skater.
here, it's
See ya.
swinging his mouse around, so compared to what you're doing, you'll just have to multiply what it does later on. Okay. Cool. In that case, let's go to the next step, I guess.